Okay, guys, this is Bray. I just want to let you guys understand how to make a multi-instance using Nox Player 6.0, 5.0. So it's pretty easy. So there are two programs that you usually install when you get Nox. First is the Nox Player, which is this one, this old running, and there's the multi-drive that also comes with it. So if you open the multi-drive, it shows like multiple of like first it's basically like empty here. It just shows one player here, which is your original Nox. And if you want to copy that, it's very simple. So once you open the multi-drive, this shows up, and then you can click on Add Emulator, and you can copy your first Nox player, which is says here, copy Nox player. And once you copy that, it will copy the entire thing, the first Nox player, and then copy whatever program you installed for it. So now that I did that, I already made a copy of my first Nox. Let me open two Noxes. Okay, so already open. The first one is open. The second one will be open here. So that means there's two Nox players that are open now. So that's how you make a multi-instance. So you can make up to however much you want, depending on how powerful your computer is. But the most ideal setup for a Nox would be if you want to go to the settings at the top right corner, the gear there. You can click on advanced settings and you can put custom. CPU should be 1, memory should be 2 gig, and OpenGL and everything else, and that's pretty much it. Like you can do like at least 3 or 4 without problems, depending on your computer. So now, on to the next part of this video is how to run a bot with Nox. Okay, so let me just open my L2 here. So it's pretty simple, guys. The best thing about Nox is it has its own macro recording program installed. So if you can see this here, this little bit of a mouse look-in with the play button in the side, on the right side, it says macro recorder, or you can even just do control 9 if you want, but let's not do that. Okay, so here we go. So this is the easiest way of doing macros is to die first, because the reason why we do macros is when people kill you, you get back up and you go to the same spot again. Alright, so let's do this first. First we're gonna try and die with the mobs and see if you die. It's kinda hard to die. Best way of dying is to put your settings HP to 0 and not put auto counter, because I put auto counter there, so basically you just killed the fucking mob for no reason. Okay, let's do it again, round 2. Okay, let's see. So my purpose here is I want to go back to where I'm usually farming, and I usually farm near a portal, which is the brink of death, because when I die I go to it and I go back and kill mobs again. That's pretty much the concept of this macro. So this is how you do the macro. Okay, once you open the macro here, you can see a lot of recordings here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete it so that you guys won't get confused there. Okay, delete that shit. Alright. all deleted. So that's how it looks like. You have no recording or whatsoever. So it says here F1 to start and to resume, F2 to save. So it's pretty easy. Okay, so let's go. Let's put that in the side a little bit because we don't need that. All right, I just want to show you guys how I do this. Okay, now I'm gonna die now. All right, so once I die, I'm gonna click on F1 on my keyboard, and it will show it's gonna record. You're gonna see it now. F1. There we go. Now it has started recording. So once I do that, whatever I do in the game will record it. So there, I just clicked on escape there and enter, and now I'm gonna click on the map to where I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna go here. Now it goes right there where the mobs are, and once that happens, I just click on auto, and it will start killing people, or I mean mobs. So after that, I go to my inventory and click bulk sale, and click on that one and that one. Okay, and whatever I did the entire time got recorded. So that's it. So once I click on F2, there we go, script saved. You can sit there. So whatever I did there will run along, like will cycle in how many cycles you want. So this is how you program your bot. So you click on once you've done that, you put on loop, put 9999, like at least 4 nines would be fine. Interval, depending on if right now we're being my character gets killed like every fucking like 2-3 minutes. So I gotta make sure that every minute my character is alive. So I'm just gonna put 60 seconds on the loop. Acceleration is 1, that's fine. And then after that, save. Once that is saved, I'm just gonna name it field farming. Field, just for F for field, auto revive, and sell. So FARS, field auto revive and sell. Gonna save that. It's already automatically saved, and that's it. You save it again. Okay, so after that, you just put back that in, and let's see if I die again, and let's see if it works. Okay, let's put auto off. I'm gonna try and revive. I'm gonna see if it works. Killing myself again. So basically, if someone PKs you and you're not in your home or not in your computer, this bot works for you while you sleep as well. But you got to pay attention that Nox sometimes have a lot of errors in it. So whenever you have an error, then obviously your Nox will not work, and you have to restart the Nox and play the bot again. So okay, let's see if it works. I'm gonna die soon, hopefully. And let's see if the macro did work. Alright, so again, death, click on play, let's see if it worked. It will click on spot revival, boom, click on X, click in the map, perfect, click to where the destination is, there we go, click on X again, and once I arrive at my destination, it clicks on auto, go in my inventory, bulk sale, sell, okay, exit, there we go, and it will keep doing that loop for 99 times. Even if you die, it will click on revive again. So as you can see, it did. So that basically showed that it worked. So whenever you die, you auto revive, you go to the same spot, and then you keep killing because you click on auto in there. And that's pretty much it. Nah, it's not so it's not so hard to do. The dying part is the hardest part. But yeah, that's hopefully this will help you guys to do the macro, and let me know if you have any questions. Peace.